Hello guys, uh, in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve this crypt arithmetic problem. In this video there is a question which is which is want the value of h plus a plus c plus k, which is this. Now we are going to solve this problem, which is very common, and it is a very complex problem. As you can see there are same values like k and c. And in crypt arithmetic, you can't use two values like the k. If k is 4, then c can't be 4. So we have to take care of this particular problem in our mind. Now we are going to solve this problem, which is jack, sack, and rack is equals to hack. So first we are going to do is just we are going to write these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is a very good habit to you know to keep in mind, because we will assign the values one by one as we find out. So as we can see here, there are four values in the end: h, a, c, k. So now as we can see here, h can't be 1 or 0, because there are only four values. So first we will start with the right side of this, which is k. So as we can see here, there is a value which is k. So uh, we have to assign some values which gives a result k. So we can assign k as a 0. So if we add 0 plus 0 plus 0, it gives you 0. So we can say that k can be a 0. We are not sure about this right now, but we can assign this or assume this, that k can be 0. Okay, now we have the value of k 0, and it gives output 0. So we will come to c. Now most of the student will find this area, that this question is not right, and it's not that it's not about crypt arithmetic. It's just data is insufficient or question is wrong. But the good part is this question is not wrong. So we'll come to see how to solve this thing. Now c. Now we can assume that we have to assume what can be the value of c so that we can get c. So here we have k as a 0. Now we can assign, if we assign k c as a 1, so 1 plus 1 gives you 3. So it can't be c or 2 or 3 or 4. But if we assign c 5, then 5 plus 5 plus 5, it gives you 15. So it can be c. We are not sure right now, but it can be c. So we assign c as a 5. It gives you 15, and there is one carry 1. Now we have k and c. It gives you 0 and 5. Now we have other next problem, which is a plus a plus e. A plus a plus e, which gives a, and we have a carry 1. So now we have to assign some values which can solve this thing and gives you output as an a. So we can assign it mm, a plus e gives you a. So if we assign a as in 1, 1, 1 plus 1, so it should be 9, 9 plus 2, and but we have already 1, so we can't assign it. Another thing can be k can be 2. If we assign it 2, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. And if we assign it as a so 2 plus 2 plus e have to be 2 in the end. So we can assign it 2 plus 2 plus 8, 2 plus 2 4, 8 12, and 1 carry, it gives you 13, so it can't be that. We can assign it as a 7. E can be 7, so 2 plus 2 plus 7, it gives you 11 and 1 carry 12, so it can be right. So now we assign A as a 2 and E as 7. So it can be, can work. Yeah, right now it is. Now we have here 12 and 1 carry. Now we have to assign J, S and R, and it should be less than 9 or 9. So now as we can see here, we have A as a 2, E as a 7, K as a 0, and C as a 5. Now we have remaining values like 1, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now we have to assign J, S and R some values. So we can assign J as in 1, S as we can suppose it 3, because we have no 2. 2 is already assigned to A. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. We have already 5. Now R can be 4. Yeah, it tries. 1 plus 3 plus 4, 8, and plus 1 carry 9. So H can be 9. Now we have all those values. It is 9. Yeah, and it is H. Okay, now we have 1 as J, and S is 3, and 4 is R, and we already assigned the values 3. So as we can see here, Jack, Sack and Rack gives you Hack. It is pretty easy if you practice it. You can learn it easily, just like Sudoku. And these crypt arithmetic questions are very, often asked in e-litmus exam and other competitive, in which reasoning is asked frequently. So it gives you 1250, 3250. I'm writing all the assigned values. 4750. It's give you 9250. Now the question was, it want the value of H plus A plus C plus K, which will be 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0. So the answer will be 9 plus 2, 11, 11, 5, 16. So here's the answer. Hope you understand this video, and I don't want you guys to like this or subscribe it, but you can share it with your friends, and if you have any more query, you can ask me in the comment section. I will gladly answer it. So share this video more and more, so that everyone can get benefit from this. Okay, this is Mayank. Bye.